Sexual intimacy after gynecological surgery, hysterectomy. Is it possible? What can I do about it? Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kanika Batra Modi और मैं एक गायनी ऑन्को सर्जन हूँ मैक्स हॉस्पिटल साकेत में. So, hysterectomy किसी भी कारण से करी जाए, whether it is benign or malignant, हमसे एक काफ़ी बारी ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है if one can be intimate with their partners, when they can be intimate and what precautions do they need to take. So इसको हम address करेंगे आज. Firstly, it is important to understand, yes, you can be sexually intimate with your partner after having had a hysterectomy, and it is absolutely a normal thing to do it after that. You might feel discomfort initially, but the idea is to not give up and start slow and take certain steps which are important, which is specifically like the use of lubricants, which can be because of dryness or the pain that happens initially post surgery. Apart from this, हमें ये समझना ज़रूरी है कि यूट्रस और सर्विक्स anatomically placed होते हैं above the vagina, and after this hysterectomy surgery vagina को ऊपर से suture कर दिया जाता है. So the vagina remains intact, और जो भी उसके अंदर nerve endings होती है which are important from intimacy point of view, from pleasure point of view, वो intact रहती है, उनको कुछ नहीं होता है. Being hormones are important for the libido that you have, that is the sexual desire that one has, that is governed by the hormones that are there in the body. And यदि आपकी ovaries save कर दी गई है, then you won't face any problem at all. But even if आपकी ovaries चली गई है, it is body के अंदर और भी in the fat there are receptors जो कि बनाते हैं estrogen or even testosterone. So the level goes down but doesn't entirely diminish. So it is still possible to be intimate with your partner and have desires as well. So this is important to understand, because apart from the physical factors that are there, psychology also plays a very important role. So feeling right in your head and that you are capable and this is a normal thing despite a surgery is very important and should be the first step to feel comfortable in your own head that yes, it is possible to be intimate with my partner, and removal of uterus is not the end of my sexual life, because most of the sexual activity is governed by the nerve endings in the vagina, and the pleasure that a woman feels is typically through those nerve endings. And it is absolutely possible to have a good sexual relationship with your partner. और हम लोग typically advise करते हैं after 6 weeks to be intimate. Initially it can be a little painful, but the idea is to keep progressing and gradually improving despite having had the surgery, and give yourself the mental and the physical space to be back to your normal self. इसके अलावा हम लोग advise करते हैं for Kegels exercises also, which are pelvic floor exercises, which will help tighten your muscles and strengthen the pelvic floor. So I'll do another video for Kegel exercises, how to do it and when to start it, and the things related to that. Apart from this, leading a healthy lifestyle and getting back to your normal routine self will help you gain confidence and get back to your normal routine self. And feeling right mentally is very important despite आपका जो भी reason रहा हो hysterectomy के लिए, in order to be back for your sexual intimacy. And I have so many patients who tell me that it feels just the same despite having hysterectomy done. Thank you so much.